It's not coming out of nowhere. It's the shot that I play, and I've played it very well in the past. So it is something that I really back myself to do all the time. That is the kind of role that I play in this team. And yes, it was when it looks like that, it looks bad, but you know that is something that I don't really think too much into. My focus has always been to make sure that once I'm in, I obviously want to make it count, make it big. But having said that, there is a process which I like to follow, and the process is obviously to make sure that once I'm in, I'm on top of the bowlers, and I'm trying to keep that pressure on the bowling unit of the opposition. Sometimes you get out, sometimes it goes over the ropes. But yeah, it was unfortunate and a very sad dismissal, to be honest, in the end. But again, like I said, those are my shots, and I'll keep playing them. Yeah, it's only 3 innings. Yes, of course. I see. I've opened for India in the limited overs for a long time now, and it's time for me to test myself in this longer format as well. The team has shown a lot of confidence in my ability at the top, and just that I have to do what the team expects me to do, not to worry about what happens anywhere else or what people talk about. The team expects me to play a certain role at the top of the order, and I will try to do that as much as I can. And speaking of the adjustment, we saw in Sydney there wasn't much bounce, so I was just trying to stay leg stump of the ball. And here I knew the line and lengths they bowl here, particularly the two right-handers. They try and test you outside off stump all the time. So I was just trying to adjust myself. I came a little bit on the off stump to make sure that I cover the line and not push my hand outside off stump. That is the little adjustment I did. But again, watching the first two test matches in Adelaide and Melbourne while I was in quarantine, I saw the discipline that the Australian bowling had. So you have to try and figure out a way to score runs against these guys. They don't give anything so easy. So it is something that I was trying to think about my batting while I was not playing. So it is something. It really worked in the first half of the tournament. In the first half of my batting, when they were bowling with the new ball, just getting closer to the ball, making sure that anything slightly outside off stump, I try and leave. And then once I'm in, I try and play some shots as well, because that is what you want. And at the end of the day, you want to score runs and try and see how they react. When you're scoring runs. So that is something that I did, and it worked out until I got out. Yeah, I think we bowled pretty well considering the amount of experience we have in our bowling unit. More likely, all of these guys they've been playing for the first time in Australia. Siraj played few games. Natarajan, Shardul, and Saini obviously played in Sydney, but obviously not a lot of experience there. But considering how they bowled, they kept the pressure. So considering how they fare in the first innings, I thought they showed a lot of discipline. They maintained that area where we spoke of bowling to the opposition. Overall, if I have to analyze the performance of each of these bowlers, I thought they bowled pretty well. It's a good pitch still. Yes, of course, there's some bounce, but the pitch has some swing, which we saw in the morning. Shardul was swinging the ball really well. But yes, this is a great experience for them. Great learning to bowl against the best batters and test themselves. At the bigger stage, I think they managed that pretty well. And looking forward, there are only positive things. For these guys, they must have gotten solid confidence playing this game, and it will help them in a good stead moving forward. Yeah, I thought Natarajan bowled pretty well, to be honest. Playing his first game outside the country, coming and bowling to the best batsman. It's never going to be easy, but he showed no pressure from ball one. He was right up there. Obviously, he'll learn as he moves on in his career, but he's definitely got composure around him, and he's got solid character. He's a strong character, doesn't speak much, but we all know that he's got solid personality. He wants to do well for the team. He wants to do well for himself. And he's here to stay. To be honest, looking at his body language, it's the first time I played with him. So it was good to see from someone who's just playing his first Test match, coming out and bowling his heart out. Yeah, I mean, idea is to do that. We've got solid batters to come in now. Two of the most experienced players are still out in the middle, and the pitch is good. So I don't see any reason why we can't get to that score of the first inning. But having said that, I think for us, what is important is to just focus on what's there in front of us, rather than thinking too far ahead. It's a big score for sure that the Australians have got. We can't think too far ahead. We just need to focus on session by session and take it as it comes. The pitch, like I said, the pitch is playing good. We just need to back ourselves to do that, and we've got the guys to do it. So I don't see any reason why we can't bat really well on day 3.